Did you know that you can create ArcGIS dashboards with Stratus? Have you ever been in a situation where you need to share your harvest data with different stakeholders, such as clients and the internal team, but wanted to avoid sending complex reports? In this video, I will show you dashboards you can create using Stratus Data and how it's possible to share that easily with your stakeholders. When creating a new dashboard element, selecting any Stratus feature layer will allow you to pull the data in. Selecting the activity types as the category, sum for the statistic, and estimated volume for the field will give us a dynamic bar chart from our operational data. This can then be easily designed and modified using the built-in Esri features of ArcGIS dashboards. Now I will show you how simple it is to share this dashboard with your stakeholders. Create an ArcGIS Online group. Share the newly created dashboard to the group, and then invite users into this group. They will then be able to see and open the dashboard as if they made it themselves. To conclude, you can use Stratus in your ArcGIS dashboards easily, and it allows you to create, see, and share the progress of your activities with your stakeholders. Do you want to learn more about Stratus? Please visit www.limgeomatics.com.